Greetings to all of you, and I have a very good news for Bitcoin that follows by other altcoins. However, these good news can be two sides of the same coin. Both of them will be good. Uh, we are having the good side first, which is the bullish scenario. And if you found this interesting, it's best for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Also, hit like and share it with others. So here's the situation that we're looking forward. And Bitcoin is already showing a downside over the weekend, and it's already for a couple of days. However, whether it's going to be a downside or upside, we're still making profits. But most people don't know where to go. People are saying that it should go up, but it's going down. So let me tell you why did this trend happen. It was started. Let me give you a historical data on how did I created this trend line. However, it's not a trend line. It is an arc trend, and let me give you show here this one arc. Arc trends are being used for a trend line, drawing the historical data and go with moving upwards to the target. So why and how did I get the target? I calculated in my previous video that this trend will go down. At some point it will be at 42,000, but there was a slight mistake. Until I finally recalculated it, there will be no changes on the target, but the the trending support shows that there is a significant trending support arc. Um, it's an arc movement, arc. That's why I created an arc line. Now, let me tell you what are the rules of making a arc trend line. First is we need to start to the bottom of it, and I select the date of this trend line, which is December 21st, 2020. And now my target is, it will be this level at 72K. Then the area is showing the price trends. Anything that is outside of the arc will be rejected or being corrected. So therefore, you can see we entered the arc, we entered there. As long as we are inside the arc and we're still on the bull market run, then we are going upwards. Therefore, until to the point we see that there is a price trend that was been already outside. Usually, in this case, it will be supported that the RSI and stochastic is already outside its normal range. Therefore, if we see already that the price trend is already outside, the RSI is already above normal or almost critical, stochastic is already almost at its limits towards the upside, then we're going to have a correction to the downside. And that happened right here. There's already another pattern that it should go down furthermore to its baseline. However, it did not take effect that way. And then we are going to follow that trend upwards again. However, the same scenario, it goes outside the arc line, then we got rejected again because we need to have a massive correction this time. In this situation, we got it already to the bottom of it, to the bottom of the RSI. Same thing with the stochastic, supported by the red volume right here already. Therefore, we got a massive volatility of downtrend. Now, here's the situation. In the previous situation here, the moving average on the 20-day moving average, we're still on the uptrend. Okay, we got corrected and then we got been rejected by the support right this level at 30,000 on this date of January 5, and then we go above again to above the moving average again, which is the 20-day moving average, and then we got already corrected. We got already corrected right here. Then we go down. Now we're already the bottom of the 20-day moving average. This will serve as the resistance. Now, if you see the apex of the 20-day moving average, we are able to meet. However, it did not even break the previous all-time high during this day. Then we got rejected again because this candlestick is already outside the arc. Then right here we are getting consolidations right now in this area, and we got rejected because what's the rule? We need to get to the bottom baseline of the arc. That's what we need to do here. Let me give you a good example right here. From once we touch the bottom of the arc line, this arc line will serve as a dynamic support and volatility towards to the upside on a parabolic run. So we are able to, although we got some point of able to move outside the lower part of the arc, but here's the situation. We got pumped to the upside, and then we got some corrections and retracements. This part is already a retracement because we are already inside the arc and we got a massive correction, and it is considered as retracement. Then the 20-day moving average are running smooth within the lower time frame, within this line. The candlesticks are already on the upside at this day. But there is a different situation we're looking forward right now. Here, this should be corrected, but it was nullified. That's okay. Until we meet this. We meet this. There's a hyper pump here towards this level. Towards this level. And if you see that this level is already above normal of the RSI and stochastic, but still the arc trend is within normal range, and that's fine. And then until we got this channel, some people are saying during those times that it was a rising wedge, and some are saying that it will be a dump. Yet we are going to have dump in the future, just like what happened today, because everything that goes up needs to goes down, vice versa as well. For going down needs to goes up. And here we got this 58k 58 100 58 point something, and then we got rejected. It's not because we got totally rejected from this level, but because we need to have a massive correction towards the downside. This situation, people are saying already that it needs to go up. It needs to go up. However, on my point of view, I said 2 days ago that it should be around 42K. This is the part where I got already some mistake. And then a few hours earlier, I tried to realize why it did not hit the 42K until I tried to realize that hey, a few days ago, a few weeks ago, and a few months ago, people are saying that it should go down towards to the 20K. Some are saying that it should go uh, around 30K in this past few weeks, but it did not happen. Although we have a historical data here that we meet the target, we meet the downtrend target at 30K, but still we are not able to meet the 38K on that during that time. And then we try to reach this level already at 47K. This is already the um, the important trend. We need to touch this level, and then we are going to see where will it go. But I do have some two situations that I would like to tell you for a trading signal. The bullish scenario here is that we are able to see right now that there is a bullish divergence on the RSI under the 4-hour time frame. Second scenario is that the arc trend is already rejecting the candlesticks to move outside downwards to the target of the 42K. But the other situation is a bearish scenario because 2 days we have weekends right now, and weekends usually doesn't have any banking transactions, not even work days for most of the time during weekends. And depending on the location you have, we need to follow the uh, the time zone in New York, or some are saying that it should be on California, or whatever the case is, whether it's gonna be a New York time zone or California time zone, it doesn't matter as long as you follow that within that time zone of the country itself, which is America. And usually this day, uh, within this weekends, there is no volume that supports towards to the upside, or neither going to the downside. The only situation it will be is the uh, this price volume trend, and we see that there is a downtrend of the PVT. That's what we're looking forward for the bearish scenario. However, if miracles happen that we got rejected by the arc and then goes up towards the upside, here's my trading signal for the long position. Kindly please look closely to the trading signal of the 20 moving day average, because this will be our resistance. This will be the importance of this is the importance of 20-day moving average this time around within the arc trend line. So just like this one, we got some example here that the retracement happened here, and it should be go towards this down the bottom of the 20-day moving average, but it did not happen. So it act as a support. Then we got rejected now because of a massive correction that needs to be done. And then finally we got already to the bottom of the arc. However, we tried to go up. We tried to go up, but we are being rejected by this line, by this trend line at 50,000. And then we calculated it, and then try to push up moving forward, but the 20-day moving average says no. We need to touch the outside of the trend line. It tried to go even outside, but it was been rejected by the next candle. So this is what we're looking forward of what the trading signals we should have. If we try to look forward in a bearish scenario, then make sure that the candles will go outside this arc line. If not, go to look forward and make sure that it's already above the 20-day moving average. So this is the situation of the trading signals I would like to give it out to you guys. And this also happens to all altcoins. Some altcoins might not follow, but they are going to reverse when the Bitcoin is already having its significant move. So we're going to see what will happen in a few days from now. But take note, tomorrow is already a weekend in America. And again, usually in weekends, there will be no significant volume of that will give us if this is going to be a very good trade or not. But whatever happens, keep look on this arc trend and the 20-day moving average as well. That's all for today, guys, and I do hope you enjoy my video. And if you love my video, please kindly subscribe to my channel. If you're still not able to be subscriber of my channel, then leave a like and hit thumbs up for and also the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the new videos like this one. Also, leave a comment and share it with others. Thank you so much and have a great day.